Hey there, it's Justin from the Book Like a Boss team, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Zoom account to your Book Like a Boss account so that when you get booked for meetings, it'll automatically generate a link in Zoom for you to have that online call. So you're going to go to Settings here on the top menu, then click on Integrations. You'll see Zoom right up here. Click the Connect button to connect your Zoom account. Now you'll need your Zoom email and password, and just follow the on-screen instructions to authorize everything. So now you're connected to Zoom, and you should see that when you go to your appointments or products and services. Let's take a look. We'll go to appointments for now, click booking pages here, then appointments. Let's just check this one here for example, then scroll down, and you'll see that in the meeting location section here, there's now an option for Zoom because you've connected it already. Just make sure that you click save. Now when somebody books this appointment with you, a Zoom link to the room or where the call is going to happen will be automatically generated and added to the confirmation email that you and your customer will both receive after the appointment is booked. And that's it. I hope that helps.